Blue. Blue project management tool is what I use to manage my business with my virtual assistants. I use it for a CRM to manage my done with you projects, CRM for landing page challenge clients, CRM for DCT hosting. DCT stands for .com Truths, my hosting reseller company. I also use it as a video production tool. Now, what that means is that I'm recording this video right now, and this video is going to go to my video editor. The video editor is going to edit it. It's going to submit it to me to review. I'm going to watch it. I'll give feedback and so on. Then I need to approve it. It needs to go to my YouTube channel manager who uploads the video, creates the thumbnail, adds the YouTube description, adds chapters, all that good stuff. That entire pipeline, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, all of that is managed on Blue Project Management. Now, Blue is absolutely one of my favorite software. It's blue, like the color, .cc. If you go to blue.cc/Aran, you will see special pricing that I have done with Blue as a partnership. Now, quick backstory. When I was an avid user of Airtable, I got a cold email from somebody in Blue, one of their salespeople or outreach people or whatever, and they said they saw my video review on Airtable on my YouTube channel, and I thought it was a great video, and they wanted to know, would I be open to reviewing Blue, to do a review as well? And I thought, sure, why not? And I told them, I said, look, I'm an avid Airtable user, but I'll check it out. I got to use Blue, and at the time, I was already thinking about hiring VAs. And when I started using Blue, I was like, my God, this is so good. I loved it. And it's very much a good process where you have cards, right? So Kanban board, basically. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and that type of a flow. Visually, for me as a manager, as a CEO, I really like working on workflows like that. Visually, it just makes sense to me how to manage things. Airtable is way more spreadsheet heavy, right? Which is great for organization, not so great for management. That's my personal opinion. Everybody's got a different opinion on that, and they can have a different thought on that, but that's how I see it. So I started using Blue, and I thought this is really good. They gave me a lifetime account at the time, and said you could use it for free just for doing a review, basically. I said, sure, I'll take it, no worries. And then I started using it, and that became basically my hub for actually using it. Now, I'm actually paying that company, and I choose to pay them, even though they will probably give it to me for free, because I want to support the company. I want them to do well. So I still pay a subscription, even though I don't actually have to, but I want to support them. They're a great company. And I actually met the CEO of Blue in Bulgaria. I invited him. I was going to be in Bulgaria anyway, in a digital nomad hotel. And he's also has that flexibility. And we met in person. So we became friends. And, he's just a great founder. And I really like working with him. I really like their development. They're doing really well. They're profitable. And what makes Blue unique compared to other tools is that Airtable and ClickUp and Trello and all these companies, these project management companies, Monday.com and so on, they are very corporate enterprise companies, meaning they have very big investments, hundreds of millions of dollars in investments, and they're very much catering to the enterprise clientele. Whereas Blue is self-funded, and what I like about them is they created the software for themselves. So I feel that Blue is really the solopreneur market, and I really like that about them. So I've got actually a playlist, a multiple video playlist exclusively on how to use Blue as a project management as well. And I've got basically a course on how to use Blue as well, which I give people that as a bonus when they use my affiliate link to use Blue. So if you go to blue.cc/Aran, you will learn how to manage all my video production, how I manage my CRM, how to manage my CEO section of Blue as well, how they have different automations and all that stuff. So that's what I use for my project management to manage my VAs. It's called blue.cc and it's amazing. So yep, that's that. I want to tell you about that. So if you're looking for something to manage a VA team, that's definitely what I would recommend. If you don't have a team yet, then maybe Airtable will probably be a better option to just organize your things, or Google Sheet or Google Docs. As soon as you add team members, I definitely think Blue is worth you exploring. And like I said, when I was talking about Upwork, you want to have team members to outsource different things that you're not good at, don't want to do, don't want to deal with, and it doesn't cost that much. So definitely check it out, blue.cc/Aran.